Alright, y'all, this is the grand finale. Look at this man over here waiting way down there. He's scared. Oh, here's the goal. White finale. Wedge it like this. Alright, bet. It's too fucking windy. Come here with you. Hold on. Alright, let's go. That was fucking lit. That was fucking lit, yo. That was fucking lit. That was fucking lit. You said that you didn't know it.
No, let's do these. Let's do these.
Oh, yeah, that was fucking lit. The stupid shit we fucking do. Oh, we'll put it in this.
No, that's a fire right there, idiot.
Okay, in the middle of the court. No, it's not gonna catch nothing.
I want to see.
There ain't shit. I already looked in there. Wait, that's okay. We need that side.
So that's gonna catch on
Where are we
fire
doing
or
it?
In the middle right here. Man, this. I wish there was lights, but then we can't see it. I say let's do it right here. And then I'm gonna close it up. Careful.
Fuck!
There we go.
Hey, don't go close. Him is done already. That was a lot of fucking fun.
If it ain't ripped or anything, I'm gonna be so fucking triggered. Goddamn, poor Pikachu. Damn, that shit's hot. A little bit. Maybe not.
Goddamn.
Poor Pikachu. Or Charizard. Was it Pikachu or Charizard?
Oh, look at it.
God damn. That shit stink.
Hey, this one's not
Oh, fuck. What else you bring? Oh, I'm on fucking full screen, that's why. Shit. Y'all, we're just doing some stupid fucking shit.
Whole bag of slots.
Retarded one, not lighting? Nope.
Yeah, use silent fucking flashlight. I'm not. Oh, I didn't lie.
No! Bro, you keep running way over there, man.
See,
I'm deaf in one ear now.
It's fucking June bugs out here, bro.
Just light the cardboard and maybe.
Let's see.
This is cardboard doesn't light as easily.
What's the fuse with?
Well. We're gonna just call this.
See, this side's supposed to be up.
Oh, it's a stand for it. That's not gonna light that good.
Yeah, fuck it.
Just light the other one and put it on top of that one.
Make them 20 or something.
Watch will not work either.
This video ain't gonna get no views because like fireworks are failing on us and everything.
It's the editing.
We're just gonna rig this shit up.
So what are we doing?
What we're doing is we're gonna make. Oh hell!
In the middle?
Fuck it. Damien's gonna run after this shit. Do not do this at home because I'm not trying to get sued for y'all's shenanigans and shit. We're licensed professionals. We're gonna kill ourselves right here. It's the tape blocking the tape's covering the fuse.
This fuse looks weird.
Plot twist, that ain't a fuse. Oh, that's a fuse.
Shit, that burned. It's coming up.
See, if we would have put that next to the one that didn't have the fuse, it would have lit. The flame would have caught that
Let's
one.
put this up with the rocket.
All right, man. All right, y'all. Here's the main show right here.
Let's get it. I'm going live on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Yo, we're gonna kill ourselves with this shit. All right, first let's just show this beauty off. Wait, hold on. Unless we take the
That's a
tip.
bigger one. Huh?
Stop being a stupid ass.
Hold on.
Wait.
I don't think that'll work.
Just set the
Let's see.
rocket up. And you just light it from the bottom. No. You should do
that?
No.
Bottom?
Do it this thing. You can pull this back like.
That's the fuse. Leave it alone.
I'm gonna put this on there.
Smart idea.
This is some gay retarded shit, but if it works, why y'all want to light this next to my bike and shit?
I don't know.
God damn it! See, I want to sit down. Hold on. Here's what we're gonna do.
Why would I into the bike? Why you can't do it over there?
Because we only live once. Fuck it. All right, y'all. This is the grand finale. Look at this man over here waiting way down there. He's scared. Oh, here's the goal. Wait finale. Oh shit. That was so fucking gay.
I know.
That didn't even explode really.
What the hell's that?
We got a fire over here.
Step on it.
Wait, what is that?
Hacks.
That's fuse, part of the fuse.
Hacks.
What? Fuck it. Got these.
You wanna put these in the glove for the
Oh,
elevator?
shit. It's right here.
I look at the one and like all of these.
Just cut it in half.
Fuck yeah. Put it in my. Put it on me.
Yeah.
Put it on my arm.
Let's light them and then throw them at him.
No, what the fuck? Don't fucking throw that shit at me. Swear to God.
Yeah, we throw these, we're all dead. And then watch them separate in the sky or some
I'll come
shit.
back and beat you.
Y'all trying to throw them in the sky?
I'll come back and
I mean, if you want to waste the whole belt, I should have. You fucking would. That's what you get. It was a fucking dud. That's what you get. Man, you went way over there.
Fuck yeah, you threw it right
Dang, man, I'm gonna lock this door up just to I'm just playing. We ran for nothing. A fucking dud.
Alright, I'm gonna just close the door my damn self.
What if I need to run out?
Huh?
What if I need to run out? Exactly. I wish I had my shot, my freaking slingshot. Let's not do that. Like a wall. You fucking would, bruh. Shit. I'm deaf.
Bro, they popped all of them.
You know what's fucked up? When you told him that, it ricocheted off my fucking leg.
Here you go, Tyler.
How would we throw them in the air? We're just gonna. Hold on, you're gonna light it? I'll do the honors. Glenn, you might want to move because I'm gonna chunk it that way. Go to the right or left, whatever one.
That did not work.
No.
Damn it! There we go. I mean, it would have been better for the air. Oh, fuck it, put the shirt on it, put the shirt. Shit could catch fire. Did that thing fly in the
That
air?
was fused.
Shit.
That was fucking twisted on fucking.
Yeah.
The shirt looked like it was gonna just catch on fire, but it didn't. Tell me why I thought you were a fucking car, man. Oh, shit. That's just the one. Bruh, you what? You do that shit. You're lucky I can't get you on film right now. So fucking dark. Why is it so fucking dark? You motherfucker. Throw that shit again. Where did that fucking go? Shit, I thought it got caught on my shirt. I was about to say. Well, I guess we're gonna end that shit at. I swear to God, you know. You'll throw that shit.
That was great, Tyler.
Y'all throw that shit.
I'm gonna do a lot tomorrow. Throw it!
Not a damn.
That is legit.
Oh God, bro, that was fucking perfect. I mean, that Damien's Oh, I'm not focused in the right area. I'm a fucking idiot. All right, I'm gonna end that shit because that's pretty much all the fireworks and all that. Anybody want to shout out real quick?
Shout out my penis, man. You already know, skinny dick.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end that shit. Gay ass fireworks. At least we had a few good shit. It's YaBoyySuperr. I don't know. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Fuck your love, this is my energy. Fuck your love, you is my enemy. Fuck you bitches, ain't a friend of me. Fuck your love, fuck your love, fuck your love. Fuck your love, this is my energy.